Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Jason and I was born in Toronto, Canada, and I'm proud to be from Toronto, Canada. And this is my natural accent. One of the things we tend to say locally, which might be in accordance with popular belief, is the use of or such as, you know what I mean, or seriously, or what are you saying, Now I'm going to read the following sentences, starting with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think that is a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. Thank you very much.